We have a saying, magaan ang buhay kapag may katuwang. Life becomes lighter when we carry one another's burdens. That's why, let us continue this tradition, my dear friends, not just during fiestas, but every day, reaching out, welcoming newcomers, helping those in need, and showing compassion as much as we can.
Philippine-Austrian Association. Wala basta iloga, guwapa. Filipino community. Filipinos in Austria.
Pusay na tumaang may lahat, 7,000 puno ang
Europe, Austria.
mga ilyas na inilatag sa malasog lang
We gather today in the spirit of celebration and community with a joyful remembrance of our rich Filipino culture, faith, and traditions. We thank you for the gift of life, for the strength of our heritage, and for the joy that fills our hearts when we come together as one people.
ang bayan Pilipinas, lupain ang hintupulan na.
Fiesta ay hindi lang kainan, sayawan, tugtugan, kundi una dito ay ang pagpupugay sa santong patron ng lugar. Ang Barrio Fiesta ay hindi isang pagdiriwang, kundi isang pagkakataon upang ipakita ang ating pagkakaisa at pagmamahal sa ating komunidad. Naway ang Barrio Fiesta ay maging isa ding pagkakataon upang magpasalamat sa mga biyaya at pagpapala na ating natatanggap.
Dürfte halten. Herzlich willkommen in Liesing. Ich freue mich, dass Sie hier sind und wünsche Ihnen ein schönes Fest. Malaga Young, Bagdad Dingsa Liesing.
Together, we will celebrate our strong ties between our two countries and the invaluable contributions of the Filipino community here in Austria. Because of you, we have gained so much respect, not only in Israel, but in all of Central and Eastern Europe. And as I always say, dahil sa inyo, mas madali ang aking trabaho dito. Lagi nila akong pinakikinggan dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Ng problema, minsan mahihirapan.
Sa imong kakatauhan, kurang kang padayon na